What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Do you like reading books? Would you like to get paid to read books? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $60 in 1 hour reading books. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $60 in 1 hour just by reading books. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And soon I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video today. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I'm going to jump right into this method. So do me a favor and please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to tell you guys about. And also, please watch it all the way to the very end, because there are a couple of steps you need to take to make this $60 in 1 hour and even more in 1 hour. You just need to watch it. You just need to watch this video all the way through so you won't miss those steps. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $60 in 1 hour just reading books. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called onlinebookclub.org. Okay, so it says here, want free books and free Amazon gift card? This is a site you need to come to. So it says Online Book Club, a free online community for book lovers. Onlinebookclub.org is a free site for readers that has been around over 10 years, before smartphones even. We have a ton of awesome features for book lovers and a massive community of active members from all over the world. There are over 1 million members. So book lovers come here to read books. You know, it's a free community. And you can also get a free book from this website. So, but what we're going to talk about is how you're going to make money from being a book reviewer. So we're going to scroll down here. Oh, we're going to click right down here where it says, get your books for free by becoming one of our official reviewers. So you're going to click on that link. It's going to take you to this page where it says, get paid to review books completely free. So it says, first of all, this is not some crazy online get-rich-quick scheme. You won't get rich and you won't be able to leave your day job. This also isn't one of those things where we promise you billions of dollars if you just send us a small fee. That's good to know. This is completely free to you, the reviewer. All right, so let me scroll down here and let's get to the meat of this so you know what the gist of this website is as far as paying you to review a book. And let's find out how much they pay. So it said most payouts currently range between $5 and $6 per review. Like we said, you won't get rich, but you can make a couple of $100s a month. So this is where you sign up at. You sign up for free. And what I'm going to do is go to this other website that's going to show you that this site is legit and people have got paid for being a reviewer to the site. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay, now I'm at the next website. It's called Trustpilot. And I went ahead and put in onlinebookclub.org. So this is a review site that gives reviews on other websites that are paying people for their workers or people that use these type of websites like online book club to make money from it. So people come to this site and they give their opinion on the websites that they've used. So here, people that left a review on Online Book Club, it was 46 of them, as you can see here, and the rating is excellent with 89%. So this is a legit site. And let's scroll down here and see what some people have said. Right here it says Online Book Club is an excellent forum. Online Book Club is an excellent forum to satisfy your library taste and boost up your writing skills. It offers bundles of books for book lovers who can find the right book of their choice by reading professional reviews. The OBC time to time offers gift cards of $20 or $25 for their reviewers. I recently won $20 gift card. So as you can see here, they are paying people for reviewing books. So this is a legit site. So if you're interested in getting paid to review books, just go to onlinebookclub.org and you can go to Trustpilot to look at the reviews that other people have given about this website. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will make you $60 in 1 hour just from reading books. So go ahead and sign up with that online book club and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you just scroll down to the description below, you're going to see where it says free giveaways. Now, the only way you can get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to this channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, hit that button right now. Make that red button turn gray. Make that red subscribe button. You see the subscribe button is red right now. Now click it. Now it's going to turn gray. Now you subscribe. So after you subscribe, scroll down to the description below. Click on the link where it says free giveaways. It's going to take you to a website where you're going to see 3 free gifts. And those gifts are from me to you guys. You can download those gifts. It's definitely going to help you make more money online. So go ahead and download those 3 gifts. All right, that's all I have for this video. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and let's get up to 40 likes. Because the more likes I get, the more this video will be seen on YouTube by more potential subscribers. Because I'm trying to get to 1,500 subscribers. And once I get to 1,500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with some free money. So please hit that like button and let's get up to 1,500 subscribers and you might be that lucky person. Now, also please drop a comment down below because I'm going to pick a comment, and who has the best comment, I'm going to reward that person some money. And also I'm going to reward the most active subscribers some money. And that's a person that has liked this video, watched all my videos all the way through, and drop a comment down below. And sometime drop a code word comment down below. In some videos I have that code word, in some videos I don't have the code word. So if you've been a most active subscriber, you understand what I'm talking about. So keep being the most active subscriber, and you might win some free money once I get to 1,500 subscribers. All right, also share this video all around the internet to every social media platform that you're on, because I'm trying to help as many people I can to make money online and become financially free, because we don't need to live in debt all our life. We need to be financially free. So share this video on the internet everywhere. All right, and lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, before I go, thank you, Grind family. Thank you for always supporting me. Let's keep going. Let's keep grinding. Let's keep grinding, and we're going to start shining. I'm telling you. All right. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.